Hey guys, yeah, I know it's Sunday and I haven't sent you this recording yet because I haven't been really that clear about where we're going next because it's kind of like it's time to move on to the third discipline. But it seems to me there's some stuff that we can profitably look at around our own anger yet. So before we move on, I want to come back to the alchemy of anger, kind of run this through one more time. And I've put in the text a series of steps you might want to take, but the basic idea here is that we all feel all of our feelings all the time, whether we're aware of it or not. If I'm aware of my feelings, I'm aware that I have all of them all of the time. And one of them that we have is anger. Now, anger may not be the one for you that you don't want to feel. Maybe it's fear, maybe it's sadness, maybe it's joy, whatever the feeling is. But anger is a complex interior experience. It's a sensation, it's an emotion, it's a thought, it's judgments, and it's a wish. I want things to be different. So we want to know what's going on in our own interior. That's what we're working on now in Living with Intention, is a deeper awareness of our own interior, our own feelings, and that happens best when we pay attention to the feelings we most don't want to feel, which for most of us is anger. So if you can find your anger, or whatever it is you're trying not to feel, and notice whenever it arises, one of the things you're going to notice is that something triggers it. Something kind of trips the switch, and you know, oh, here's that feeling. It was there all along, but now you notice it. Right? That thing may be a really minor event, but because it's connected with a larger pattern in your life, it's going to have there's going to be some voltage there. There's going to be some energy behind that. Try to figure out, what is that pattern? What is that's going on in my life that causes this feeling to come up in this event with greater power, strength than it might otherwise have? And what are some of the other events within that pattern? What are the elements that form that pattern? And when that pattern is happening, what is it that I need? What are the qualities that are missing from my life when that happens? It may be that somebody does something to somebody else, shouldn't bother me a bit, and yeah, this really bothers me. What's that about? What is the quality that I need? And what can I do now that will move me towards what I need, using the anger to kind of propel me to do this usually hard thing? But I'm going to harness my anger to move towards what I need, which may include actually addressing something in the relationship in which the anger was triggered in the first place. Might not. Usually it does, but whatever it is what is it that I need, and what can I do that will move me towards what I need without in any way intending to or expecting that the other is going to change. Because remember, the only person I can change is me. All right? So be working on that, and I hope to see you this evening.